guys, your girl Chris Choreo here. Welcome back to my channel. This is a 15-minute stretch video. It's a full body stretch. So this is for a person who just does not have enough time to do a long 60-minute or 2-hour long video, or even 30 minutes is too long because you're really just too busy. So this is just 15 minutes of stretching. I'm going to start with the legs and then I'm going to move up to the upper body. Alright, so first things first, I just want you to place the feet together. I'm going to set my timer right here so we don't go over time because we're very punctual people. Yes, ma'am. And we're starting now. Alright, just deep breathing, inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling through the mouth. 4 cycles. So here we go. Breathe in. And out. Again in. And out. You can place your hands right at the rib cage. Expand the rib cage out. Here we go. And out. 4th one, breathe in. And out. This time adding the arm, we're going to lift the arm up overhead. From here, we're going to extend one hand to this side and just stretch it over to the side, holding this for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Reaching down to the opposite side. Breathing, maintaining that breath, holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Same thing, opposite side, doing a 3rd set. Holding on to the knee, reaching over, or just below the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now just now I said hold on to the knee. Not a good idea to hold on to the knee. So just below the knee or above the knee, whichever is more comfortable for you. For me, that's below the knee because I feel a little bit more anchored when I lean over to the side like this. Alright, so do whatever suits your body. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the hips are nice and open now, or a little bit more open than they were before. So we're going to continue to stretch on the hips by stretching the legs outwards. I'm going to put one leg in, the other leg is out, and I'm just going to reach forward and hold on to that leg. Now it's very important that when you're lifting, you lift up and out of the waistline, tilt the tailbone back, so cock your bottom back. If you need to, lift up your bottom, put your hand under and lift your sit bone. It might feel like weird, but it actually helps. Tilt the tailbone back, reaching forward. You can reach on either side. Right here is good, or even right here. Never holding onto the knees, holding for 10 counts. Here we go. If you want, you can also hold on to the feet for anchorage. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lifting up. I'm going to shift over to the other side. So it's a very quick stretch. So reaching over. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shifting once more within 4 of this one. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And if you feel like you need more time on either side, go ahead and take it, right? I'm just doing a 15-minute video. This is pre-recorded. Take your time and do your thing. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we're doing 4 total, 2 on either side. Now what I want you to do is get up onto all 4s. We're going to work the back. But let me show you what we're doing first. We're going to push back into our child's pose. We're going to hold this for 10 counts, and then we're going to slide under. We're going to bring the chest down, and we're going to push straight up into a counter stretch. All right. So starting first in a child's pose for 10 counts, and the aim is to try to get the hips touching the heels. So let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your chest forward and push up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Third time, reaching up, pushing back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Stretching back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last time. Pushing back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pushing back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from here, all we're going to be doing, stepping forward on my left leg, or it could be your right leg, whichever way your face is facing. We're just going to hold this position here, a lunge position for 10 counts, stretching here. So you can either choose to keep the hip on or the knee on the floor, or you can curl those toes under and lift the hip up. So that way you're getting not only a stretch but also a strengthening exercise. So I'm going to hold in this position for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From here, we're going to put the knee down, or if your knee's already down, just pushing back into this half split here, reaching forward, and make sure you get your balance, holding here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reaching forward again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Placing the knee down gently, reaching back. Holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reaching forward. Step over third set now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last time going back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming forward. Actually, I think this is the fourth one. Is it? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We do an additional one. I don't know. I've lost count, but I do know we should only be doing 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, good. Moving over to the opposite side. So we're doing 4 total lunges, and then we're doing the half split pullback. Alright? So here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pulling back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 10, 9, 8, second one, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Third set. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place in. We have one more set after this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pushing back. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pushing forward. Okay. Now we're going to be doing lying on our backs. You're going to cross one leg like that. You're going to put the arms under and hold for 10 counts. You can use this elbow to press open this leg. So we're doing 10 counts on either side 4 times. So I'm just going to do all 4 on this side. So we're going to count to 40. You can take breaks after each 10. Alright, so here we go. 40, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it just a bit. Ready again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Releasing. 2 more on this side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We have 1 more on this side. Ooh, guys, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, so you know, to the opposite side, we have less than 4 minutes. We're on good timing. Hold it. Pull this knee into you. Push this leg out. Push this leg out with the elbow. Pull this knee in. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 3 more. Here we go. Holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. Holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1 more. Here we go. Holding. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, straight the legs out. I'm going to come back into this diamond position which we started in. And I just want us to flutter the knees up and down. Try to keep as straight a torso as possible. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just relax in this position for a minute, okay? From here, we're going to press the knees down. Sink the elbows into the crooks of the knees and just allow the torso to lean forward. Deep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. We're going to another set of bounces. Open those hips, straighten the torso. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. We're almost at that finish line. It's less than 2 minutes to go. We're on about 1 minute 40 seconds remaining. It has been so wonderful stretching with you today. Make sure you join me for Fitness Thursdays at Girl Summer. If you're not, you can chat to me after this series. Listen. We're going to come down and reach forward again. Stretching, opening the body. If you want to bring the arms up to the side. Less than a minute to go. 1 more bounce. And then what I want you to do when we're stretching forward again, just do some deep inhale, deep exhale, and that's where we'll finish for today. Alright? Stretching forward again. We have 35 seconds. So let's just take advantage of this deep breathing. Relax, meditate for these final 30 seconds. And that is time. Big up yourselves. I'm going to be linking the premiere for Fitness Thursdays below. Make sure you save the reminders. Big up on yourself. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my videos. Okay? Comment below. Let me know if this exercise worked for you and what else you'd like to see. Okay? Big up on yourself.